What is causing all this damage? Some type of plant disease? A fungus maybe? Nope, it's this little critter. Meet Poecilocapsus lineatus, commonly known as the four-lined plant bug. These native insects can be found in much of the U.S. east of the Rockies. These insects feed on around 250 different plant species, but they love mint family plants most of all. Adult four-lined plant bugs are a bright greenish-yellow color with four black stripes down their elytra. Their heads are orange with brown-red eyes, long black antennae, and legs that are yellow, green, and black. Adults are about 1/4 to 1/3 of an inch long. Males and females can be differentiated by the large ovipositor on the underside of the female's abdomen. Four-lined plant bug nymphs are initially bright red with small black wing pads and dots along the abdomen. With each molt, wing pads increase in size and eventually gain light stripes on either side of them. These cute little critters are considered garden pests, but they generally don't really cause serious or long-term problems for most plants. Four-lined plant bugs have piercing, sucking mouth parts, as both nymphs and adults, so they don't actually eat the leaves. They inject compounds that break down chlorophyll and then suck the juicy mixture from the leaves, which is what creates small, round, brown or black spots that eventually turn translucent or even fall out. The species only has one generation per season. Eggs hatch in late spring. Nymphs feed for 3 to 6 weeks while going through 5 molts on their way to adulthood. Once adults, they will feed for another month or so and then mate, lay eggs, and die, usually by mid-July. In most situations, four-lined bugs just don't do enough damage to seriously hurt plants in that short time frame. And many plants, like mints, have plenty of time after the feeding frenzy to bounce back before the end of the growing season. And it's important to remember that four-lined plant bugs are native and a part of our normal ecosystem. They feed birds and other beneficial insects that make up a healthy garden and landscape. And populations normally fluctuate. An outbreak one year does not necessarily mean you will be overrun with them the next. But no one wants to lose all their mint to a pesky little bug, cute though they may be. So what to do if there are too many? Changing one's perspective a little and understanding that some plant damage is normal and means the plants in your yard are being contributing members of the ecosystem is a good place to start. But if you feel that they damage a plant too much, well, fortunately, they are easy to control. At the end of the adult life stage, females use their rigid ovipositor to lay 6 to 8 eggs into a slit they create on plant stems. Eggs are initially light yellow, banana-shaped, and just over 1.5 millimeters long. You can continue to enjoy your plants all summer because eggs don't hatch until the following spring. So a simple control method is to cut and dispose of plant stems that may contain eggs at the end of the growing season. Plants can be either buried or composted. Remember, many insects, including beneficial predators, lay eggs on or in stems, so you only need to get rid of stems of highly infested plants. Mildly damaged plants will still bloom and can still be enjoyed or even used for tea. So enjoy the diversity of nature. Plants shouldn't look pristine. They can handle feeding some insects. It's literally what they've evolved to do.